Hello and welcome. I'm at Brecht Caravan, Heilbronn, Germany. I'm going to show you this motorhome here, the Bürstner Elegance, top of the range Bürstner, 9-meter motorhome with a tag axle at the back, and I've got two to show you in different sizes. For something like this, you're looking at 154,000 basic price. Then obviously the costs start going up from there. So as I come in, closing the door behind me because it's pretty nippy outside, we've got this enormous lounge at the front. And at the back, we've got a queen bed. So traditionally, I'm going to go to the back and show you what it looks like here. So for a queen bed setup, okay, it's got the same as all the others. It's got the storage above. You've got the wardrobes on the other side. You've got the steps to get up to the bed. You've got down here storage as well. And bit more unusually, we have the storage here, and let's go and have a look at the windows. There you go, windows on either side with these roller blinds, so you can make it darker or even pull the whole thing up if you want. And in here, that's what your wardrobe looks like. Note there's electricity supply down there. You've got the heating here as well in the bedroom, and at the other side there's a spot for a bit of storage, and you can I suppose you can hang something up there. Maybe this is a place for the television to go somewhere. Electricity at the bottom down there as well, USBs. So this here is, I think this dressing room is absolutely outstanding. Now, first thing of course you can do, as always, you can close this by putting this across. It won't come across. Why? Because this is here and this has been blocked, and so I'd have to unblock that, and then the door would actually open or close. We've got this large sink here with this nice molded shape. There is the toilet. Now if you want to, you can put the toilet across like that, and so toilet there with a big mirror inside. You can also see yourself in the mirror here as well. Down below we have got drawers, and here we have got a drawers. This is a dressing room, absolutely. That closed there, close off from the front should you want to. You've got your shower here, a really large shower at that. I think it was Tiffany yesterday sent a message, are all people in Europe really thin to get inside some of these showers? Well, as you can see in this one, if you're not really thin, then there's still plenty of space inside. Now note that there is a double floor, and we'll have a quick look at the double floor down here so you can gives an idea of how deep it is. To my eye, that's around 40 centimeters deep, so plenty of space in there. We've got some of the technical infrastructure to the vehicle is under in the double floor as well as having plenty of space for storage. For battery capacity, we increase the size of the batteries. Indeed, the in something like this, the sky's the limit as far as batteries are concerned. Also, as you can see, there's plenty of space on the roof. This version here, this one comes with the air conditioning as well. Okay, into the kitchen, we have got here 2 hobs, gas, plus 1 hob induction. We have got storage there, we've got this pull-out pantry here, and the normal sorts of things you'd expect in a in the kitchen. Furthermore, storage capacity up there. In fact, indeed, storage all the way around. Got a clever freezer. Door opens both ways, as does, of course, for the fridge. And if you wanted to put a microwave in, don't know why, but I suppose that's the space for a microwave, although I wouldn't bother. And down here we will find another pull-out area. There's your wine cave. What is that? Carve or whatever it is. Wine cellar, that's the word in English. And television can go there. Wide door with a mosquito screen, comes with a window and a bin. Here we've got this absolutely enormous table. I shall open it up so you can see how big it is, and I shall stand back. So face-to-face setup. I know face-to-face mightn't be for everyone, but for those that want it, and this is increasingly popular, fashionable at the moment, is face-to-face. I noticed lots of vehicles offering face-to-face now compared to a few years ago. Really, a few years ago it was quite rare. Now it seems to be lots of people wanting it. So it gives you all this space. Now, one of the things with the face-to-face setup is you will find forward-facing seats under the side-facing chairs. Forward-facing, so when you actually in your vehicle's in motion, you would sit down here or there, and then you'd go in that direction. The extra seat is either under, as you can see in this case, well, you can't see, but it is, or you can make up an extra seat should it be necessary to go in a forward direction. Now, the seats, I've turned them round so you can give an idea of what it looks like. We've got an extra bed up here, and the bed will come down at the touch of a button. So put the key in, that's in the off position, that's in the on position, and the bed will come down like this. I'm not going to put the bed all the way down, I'm just going to show you what it looks like. Alright, I've just done that because you have to put the chairs to come forward. I could have done that beforehand in this case. There's no one else around. I didn't because I wanted to give an idea of the space that this offers. But anyway, so here, this is what the bed looks at up the front. You have got a ladder to get up there. If you don't fancy standing on the chair and pulling yourself up, you've got a switch over there, lights at the end, and this here, I think there's enough, even now there's enough space to sort of give you an airy feel inside. Now the other end, note for the windscreen, there's also a blind which will go up and down. Now let's put this back, turn the, sorry, that's off, that's on, up and down, other way around, down and up. So also, obviously, as you always get in something like this, there are blinds at the side of the vehicle so you can actually cover everything. Now, if you want to turn off the lights, so you can do that by coming up here, opening this up. There's your control panel, and here you can actually turn off the 12 volt there, like that. And the lights went off absolutely by magic. And there's your heating. And admiring the door once more, let's have a look at another one that was done earlier. So let's come out. One last look at this. Close the door. And we've got another one here. So it's a different layout. Oh, I'll show you I'll show you the garage from here. There's the garage in this one. Nice and big, absolutely enormous. This one's got this new Thetford system. The Indus, I say new, was introduced in 2021, spring of 2021 it came out. It was first vehicle was put in was this one here into the Bürstner Elegance. If this is open, I'll show you in here as well. It's absolutely enormous, and the payload, well, it depends on what gross vehicle weight the vehicle's actually put on, but you're probably looking at around 1 ton. Let's come inside, see a different layout here. So you can see this one's got a different kitchen and it's got a different back. So we'll come to the back. This is the German layout here. Big bed at the back, storage all the way around. We've got a more unusual, I would say, here, in as much as not a wardrobe here, but rather shelves. We've got drawers in the other side, and here we have got more shelves, and here is a big wardrobe, and that is your glycol for the Alde heating system. Same big shower, and dressing room the same, toilet the same. Coming through into here, okay, in the kitchen, obviously things like this is an option. So you can have an oven like this, you can have the hobs like as it was in the other one. This is the full Thetford. You've got gas there, and there you go. There's the oven, but other features are the same. We've got here the pull-out pantry, and here we have got more storage, and as you can see at the front as well, it also looks the same. Freezer, fridge, storage, and this, as the other one, this one has an aircon unit in as well. Now, I have filmed this in many previous years. I filmed this now. This is my 10th year filming this vehicle, the Bürstner Elegance. So it's got a lot of history behind it, and for a top of the range model, I think it's a very attractive model. You can see even on a day like today, where it's a bit overcast, still plenty of light inside. So that's also the same, as you can see. And I'll turn off the 12 volt in here. Oh, that happened by magic. And turn the lights off here. And let's come out. This one, I think this one's connected to the mains. So there you go, 2 Bürstner Elegances, and 2 different layouts to them. There's the queen bed and the German layout. So depends on which one you like the best. Comes with a door for the driver, although they nearly all do these days. So, well, thanks very much for watching. If you're interested, there'll be more details below. If you, these vehicles are available now, should anybody want one. So I'll give you links to where they can be purchased. And but for the moment, from me in Germany, thanks for watching. I upload every day at 21:15. Sometimes I even upload on other times as well, and I occasionally do the odd live chat. But for the moment, from me in Germany, bye for now.